Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tech tips and tricks to streamline your digital life. Today I am going to show you how to print an email from Gmail. This is a simple process that can really handy when you need a physical copy of an important Gmail. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Find the email you want to print. Click on it and open the Gmail. With the Gmail open, look for printer icon, which is usually located at the top right corner. Click on the printer icon. This will open a new window with a print preview of your Gmail. Here you can adjust your print settings such as layout and pages to print. Once you are happy with the settings, click on print button to send the Gmail to your printer. And that's it, your Gmail is now printing. If you have any issues with your printer, make sure it's properly connected and has enough paper and ink. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Printing emails from Gmail is a quick and easy process, perfect for when you need a hard copy of your message. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.